Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling two-step verification because app passwords require it. Sign into account. Google, Com on a desktop, open security, and enable two-step verification if not already active. Once done, return to the security page and choose app passwords. Make sure you are using the exact account tied to the app, otherwise the password won't work. This first step establishes the trust layer, so the app password can be generated securely and used for legacy or less secure apps. Now generate the app password itself by selecting the app and device context. Pick Mail and the device, or choose Other and name it so you remember why you made it. Click Generate, and Google displays a 16-character code. Once displayed, copy it exactly without spaces. You'll enter this instead of your Google password into the app. Make sure to note the device and purpose because you can revoke individual app passwords later if needed for security management. Finish by pasting the 16-character app password into the app's password field where asked, then sign in. If the app rejects it, clear any saved credentials, verify account and device selection, then try again. Sometimes apps cache the old password. If you lose the code or suspect compromise, go back to security, find app passwords, and revoke that specific entry. This lets you cut access without changing your main Google password. So revoke and regenerate when you need to rotate credentials quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.